We're here at Technics Venetian Suite to check out its new turntables. They have two new turntables, but we wanted to check this one out, which is the SL-1500C. It's sort of a predecessor of their legendary 1200 lineup, but this one is a little bit more easily entry level for those who just want something that really sounds fantastic but don't have a ton of money to spend. So there's a lot of cool features to this. One of the best things about it is that it does have the coreless direct drive, which is something that Technics is very well known for. It allows for almost no micro vibrations, so it's going to have better sound there. It also is a very heavy turntable. It's got the aluminum top side and a very heavy rubberized bottom. It's got adjustable legs there, and it has a VTA, the vertical tracking arm, so you can go up and down. That's something that audiophiles really enjoy about turntables. It also comes with an Ortofon red M2 cartridge, and that's about $100 value, so that's kind of nice to see here. It's got a really nice cover. We like the cover. I don't know, there's something about a nice cover for a turntable that I still really enjoy. And another really cool thing about this turntable is it has a preamp built in. So if you only have an AV receiver that doesn't have a phono preamp, or if you have an integrated amplifier that doesn't have a phono preamp, you can go straight out of this and it'll be just fine. But it also will go with your phono preamp that you have at home, or you can add your own. So it goes both ways on that. And at $1,400, this is a really nice audiophile, sort of entry audiophile level turntable. So we're excited to see that.